Hi everyone, thanks for stopping in today. Feeling a little bit better today. If this does not get out of my system by the end of the week, I will go to urgent care because it's 4 weeks coming this weekend and I've had enough. So today I'm feeling a little bit better, so hopefully it's on its way out. Whatever is going around is just, it's not even like you feel horrible. Like the first week or so I did, but it's just the nuisance of it. Runny nose and the sneezing and the coughing and, you know, the voice. And like, I had so many phone calls to make and my voice was cracking and like going out. I'm like, oh, bad timing. So today I have a stitch fix. Now I've had this since April 10th. And I did ask them for an extension till the end of the month. I just could not get to it. I have another huge clothing haul to do. Hopefully I'll have that by the weekend, and then some other PR. And let's talk about this. Women, men, and kids fashion boxes. Buy what you love, send back what you don't. Get a prepaid envelope, which is right here, USPS. Send everything back that you don't want to keep. If you don't like anything, you send it all back. Keep all 5 items, you receive a 25% discount. You do check out online. You have 3 days to decide, and you can, like I said, you can extend it. I extended it out, and I think then I did email them just to push it a little further, so this way I, didn't run into the issue of being charged for things when I'm sending, might send some things back. I have no idea. Have not looked. They do a style shuffle on their website every 24 hours, and that does help, I do think, in giving your stylist or the algorithm some guidance. And I think that's just about it. You do get, oops, start that over, a white envelope, and in the envelope is going to be your style card, which will tell you what's, I'm going to show it to you, your style note, and then the items in your box, and a little style tips. We'll just flip that over right now. And then this is your invoice. This should be $81. It is. So I'm going to put this underneath so I don't see prices. And let's just get into the box and see what we have going on here. Okay. I did slit the paper so that I didn't have to make all that noise on camera. First up is from North Face. I can see that. Crew neck box tee, dark purple medium. Now, I love the color, and I don't mind that it says North Face. This is what bothers me. I don't like this. I'm not a graphic tee person. I never was. Even back in the 70s, I just didn't wear them. I don't mind this little in the front, but I don't like this. So this is, regardless of how it fits, is going to be a no for me. It's just not going to, it's just not. So we have that. I'll do pricing once we get in, but let's move to the next top, which obviously, and this is from Kaylee. Mercy button sleeve detail knit top, light blue medium. It's almost like a greenish blue. It's not like blue or green, anything like that. Like a cap sleeve, button detail along the top. More scoop neck, almost like boat neck style. I'm not a fan of the material. I don't know what the material is, but just not a fan. So I'll tell you the material when I try it on. So we have that. This, what are you? Okay. I'll probably say no to this just by looking at it. From Bobu. Bella button, detail ruffle, neck top, black medium. Looks like maybe like an elbow sleeve. Will come right down to your elbow where the ruffle will, there. What does the front look like? These little buttons. Let me just look. Real buttons. Ruffle around the neckline. Oh, I cannot hold this. It's all right. It's not for me. It's not something I need at the moment. What are you? And then we'll just try everything on. Here is Paper Moon, Ada button-down woven shirt, off-white medium. These are nice in the summer. I love a collared shirt. So this is probably like a cap sleeve. Nice. Did they say off-white? I think that. I don't remember that fast. Yeah, off-white. This is more like ecru or like a light cream, a linen color. So I'll show you the back. It is a traditional button-down with your collar and your 2 pockets in the front. I received, this is not bad. I got a shirt from Stitch Fix, a button-down shirt. It was like a real small floral years ago. And I think it's a large. Obviously, you know, I had a cardigan. I got a cardigan this past month that was a small, fit perfect. So small, medium-ish, and I love the shirt. I can't wear it. It's too big. And I was thinking about taking it in because I love it. It's a straight bottom. It's not the shirt tail bottom like this one. And it's so comfy with denim shorts or with shorts because it's airy and great for the summer. Oh, speaking of shorts, from Silver Jean Company, Elise Bermuda Short Indigo size 8. Right here. You know, traditional. There is a little bit of distressing, which I normally don't like. But that might be okay. A little bit around the pockets. Here's the back. A little detail on the pocket. Not bad. There is a good amount of stretch. So what I'm going to do is I'll try the shorts on last. Just because I don't feel like dealing with bottoms at the moment. And I'll be back and we'll give these 4 tops a try and see what I think about them. Okay, I have the first top on. Paper Moon, Ada button-down woven shirt. Off-white medium, $45. It's really not bad. I do love a button-down collared shirt for the summer. I just find, and this material is just so cool in the summer when it's hot and sticky. It gets very humid here where I live. The fit is fine. There's no like tugging and pulling here, you can see. Here's the back. Don't mind the hair. I'm trying to give my hair a little heat rest. Like I dried it, but I didn't want to flat iron it. You know, the stress of everything is affecting my hair, so I'm just trying to ease my hair and not have to flat iron it if I can help it. I think this is a little too, like with shorts, I'm not going to be wearing this with leggings. Like I have leggings on today. If this was this length, like a straight bottom instead of a shirt tail bottom, I think it would be perfect for shorts. But it's just a little too long for me, personally. Once again, here's the back. Like I said, plenty of room. This is a medium. Nothing clings or sticks to you. So, I mean, and like I said, you can put a cardigan on and go out, put a blazer on and, you know, put a denim jacket on and really, you know, take this up a notch. This would be great. I'm not one to tuck. I would rather just fit me the perfect length for me to keep it. So this probably will be a no, but I do love tops like this. So let's move on to this and see how this fits. Okay. The Bobo Bella Button Detail Ruffle Neck Top in black medium, $58. No. It's cute. It is a, you know, this does button all the way up. I have 2 buttons undone. Perfect. It has some give to it. Shirt tail hem, just like before. Cute sleeve length. Like if I needed this, I would say, yeah, this would be great to dress up, to wear, you know, once again, if I wanted to wear it with leggings and a boot or something like that, and just to elevate, you know, something more casual on the bottom, this would be perfect. The fit is good. It's just not anything I'm looking for, honestly, but it's not bad. The sleeves are fine. Like the elastic falls above your elbow and your, you know, the center of your arm. So, you know, it's very comfortable. And then we're going to try this top on, which is a K-lead top right here. So let's see this one on. So this is the Kaylee Mercy button sleeve detail knit top, light blue. It's more like a blue-green, medium, $39. Not a bad price. This one's a little bit big. And this is like the rayon poly spandex, which I'm not generally a fan of, usually very clingy. It's actually like more of a boat neck. It's actually kind of cute. You can see the back. I mean, there's plenty of room. It's not clinging, and I have leggings on. But this just is not anything that I am looking to purchase right now, but not a bad top, personally. And then the last one is going to be the North Face tee. So let's give this a try and see what I think. Okay, yet again a North Face, which I always send back. I kept one. Crew neck box tee, dark purple, medium, $30. Okay. It's cute. The fit is ideal. It's perfect. Length is good. You know, I'm afraid on shrinkage, personally. I mean, it fits like perfectly. I don't mind this whatsoever. This is what I mind. I don't like this. Wash and drying it, it gets very crinkly every time. And I'm not advertising for North Face. They're not paying me. I have never been a graphic tee. This I don't mind. A little emblem or a little something on the front. But when you start putting stuff on the back like that, you lose me. Like I said prior, even in the 70s with all the band shirts and all this, it just was never a graphic tee person. So this, as cute as it is, and I love the color, it would be great with black, with denim, white shorts. It would look phenomenal with navy and purple. Go great together. It's just, and it's very, like, it feels like I don't have anything on. There's nothing like choking you. I have tags, but like everything fits nicely. It's nice and soft, but it's just not for me. So unfortunately, this one's probably will be a pass. So let's give the good old shorts a try. So you might hear Patches in the background. She's a little, like, whimpery today. A little crying a little bit. She misses her grandmom. So I have the Silver Jean Company LC Bermuda shorts on in Indigo size 8, $58. Anymore, that seems like the going price for shorts. I left the North Face t-shirt on. I also left my leggings on. As you can see, there's leggings popping out the top. I just didn't feel like taking them off, putting the shorts on, then taking the shorts off, putting the leggings back on. These fit phenomenally. They're a little loose in the waist, but that's fine. As you can see here, here's the back. Like, the fit is perfect. The length is good. You know, if I want to, I can roll them again. But I don't mind these whatsoever. And a little tiny bit, like I did tell them, no distressing, but a little tiny bit up here. It's not going to create like a massive hole because it's by the pocket. And then there's like little wear at the pocket, but nothing like in the actual single layer of denim. So more than likely I'll keep these because I'm always in the hunt for denim shorts for the summer coming up. I mean, I have quite a few pair, but you can never have too many shorts. I live in shorts from... We still can't do them just yet because we're still, like today, I think we were 68 degrees, but the air is still Arctic. The air is cold. Like, I wanted to open the windows and you just can't. It's freezing. Like, I'm hoping by the end of the week we'll be into the 80s, like by the weekend. But the air still might be chilly. So, you know, probably May I can start wearing shorts. And I wear them straight through October-ish until it starts to get too cold to wear them. So I live in denim shorts all summer long. So I probably will keep these just because they're a nice fit. So I'm probably going to say no to the 4 tops. This one and these 3 here, and just keep the shorts. Box. Yeah, it does say, I do have a style pass. They do say that there is still a $20 styling fee, but I've heard from several of you that they've been not doing that, so I don't know what Stitch Fix is doing. Miss Patches. Hey, sit down. So, give me one moment. I'm going to come out of this, and then I'll give you some box numbers. I just want to settle Patches down. Okay, so let's do some box numbers. Stylist pick subtotals $230. Buy all 5 items, discount of 25%. I would say $57.50. And box total would be $172.50. I'm not going to be keeping all 5 items. So far, the only thing that for sure I'm keeping is the denim. And I do think I'm going to send back all 4 tops. They just, I would love to keep the North Face. I think it's felt wonderful on. I would wash it in cold and maybe hang it up and just like throw it in the dryer for a few minutes to get wrinkles out, but not with the graphic on the back. And $30 is a lot of money for a t-shirt. I was in Target last week and they had some beautiful shirts, $12 t-shirts, and they were like more crop style, but not like cropped super short. They would hit me at the top of my leg, and I was going to pick up a few, but I just didn't have time to look. I was there making some returns. I just wanted to get out of Target. I didn't want to be spending too much time in Target. So I might go back and see if they still have any or what they have that is like a shorter length so that I can wear them nicely with my shorts for the summer. But, you know, $10 for a t-shirt, that's probably $10, $12. You know, between Target and Walmart, I'm sure I can find things. You know, I look all the time, but a lot of times t-shirts are too long for me. So this is Fix 81. And I don't think it's bad, you know, keeping one item versus keeping no items is, you know, is always, you know, better for them, I would assume. So let me know your thoughts. Would you have kept anything other than what I intend to keep? Let me know down in the comments below. And I appreciate all you watching. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye for now.